on to our next game. It's called Red Flags. We're going to give you 3 situations from which each situation is going to have 3 statements, 2 of which are going good and 1 is the red flag. And then you have to choose which situation you would rather be in. So situation 1, Kendal AI has more than 500 monthly paying users. You have successfully raised your next round of funding, but Drishti, your co-founder, has to leave the business for personal reasons. Situation 2, the Kendal AI team has grown to 100 people. Eventually, Kendal AI's services are expanded beyond real estate, but you're at the end of your funding runway and don't see potential to raise anytime soon. Situation 3, you see a market for the original crowdpad idea growing. You are personally invited to give a TED talk, but your investors are not happy with the direction you're going in. So these are your 3 situations. You have to tell us which situation you would rather be in.
I think situation 1.
We are storing shit up, so because Drishti is.
No, but it says she's leaving for personal reasons, right? Like, I would respect that. Like, as in she's given a lot of time and effort and hard work into this. If she needed to step back because of personal reasons, I would respect that completely. As long as it's not like, betrayal or like something cruel like that, or like some conflict and stuff like that. That's where
it's not. It's personal reasons.
I would fully respect that. Like she's.
But does that mean that the green flags in situation 1 are that great that you would be okay with that?
I would say it's fine. Like, because like the thing is, it's not about the green flag actually.
You're saying the red flags of the others are way worse.
Yeah, I think so. Like the end of the funding runway plus don't see potential, that's bad for the whole team, not just one person. Your investors are not happy and with the direction you're going in. It's generally not about like them like, not being happy with the direction you're going in, but also the fact that they placed a bet on you, right? They took a bet on you when nobody else did. And there's a certain like responsibility you have to do right by that. Whereas a co-founder leaving for personal reasons after working really hard and giving their time to this,
there is a reason
and
for it.
Moving the needle from A to B like is really, really hard. So yeah, like I think that's fair. So that it's more about like the red as opposed to the green. I think the green is always changing and like it's whatever, right? Yeah.
Fair enough.
Yeah.